Alright guys, I've been wanting to make a video with my cart, my lame ass top hutch, my new Epic. Been having a pretty hard time closing that. Got my iPad, look up anything that I need to look up for any vehicle I'm working on. Pretty much this little snap-on box using for my chargers, miscellaneous stuff, little C10s. Gotta have my camera. John Wick. Dog. Miscellaneous drawers. First miscellaneous drawer. Knives, pencils, pens. Nail brush. Empty. Paperwork. My favorite notebook. Charges my phone. Pretty dope. Empty. Screwdrivers. Still kind of need to reorganize a lot of things. Oh shit. Ignore the churro. A lot of rivets, stuff like that. Oh shit, that's not supposed to be in there. Tips, drill bits, step bits, my snap-on master cobalt set, reverse thread, whatever the fuck they're called. Files, burr bits. Top drawer, pretty empty still. Oops. My old original set that I've had like good 7-8 years when I first started. Metric, impacts, deep, shallows. These are garbage. Harbor Freight. Expert, Duralast, AutoZone crap, Duralast crap. Love these sets. These sets are dope. Standard metric. New sets. 100th anniversary. I like these. I don't know why I bought them. I just bought them. Had to buy that. I don't know why I bought it either. Pretty cool little Mac gold set from 2001. Little stress relief puzzles. Torx master set. Triple squares. From Amazon. They work pretty well for being from Amazon. They work. Take off seat belts, European cars, Audis, stuff like that. RBTD set, how the fuck you call them, whatever. From Mac. Silver Eagle set that I've had also for like 8 years. This was part of the other set up there. Standard metric. 15 grade angle. Husky ratcheting, 72 tooth. Some pliers. My power impact drills, drivers, battery chargers. Love that thing. Wrist breaker. Love that thing too. And these little things. Pretty much everything in here I love. Miscellaneous screws, self-tappers, shims, shrink wrap, everything pretty much electrical, little things that I do here and there. Rivets, different sizes. Have to have my zip ties, have to have clips. Have to have these. These are a must. It's lifesavers. Blades. Specialty tools. Pretty much brakes. Tap and die set. Axle nut. Wheel lug nut remover set. Caliper. Impact screwdriver. My rivets, hand rivet guns, oil change, pipe, fuel line bender, stuff like that. Empty. My little Milwaukee sander slash buffer. I love this thing. I carry it a lot with me everywhere. I don't want to carry my big buffer. All my small pads. Gotta have air fresheners. My Iwatas, LPH 400, LPH 400, I use my for sealer, for base, my fine metallics. Another base gun for metallic solid colors. Another amazing gun that my boss gave me. My favorite clear gun for big jobs completes. Another clear gun that I use for smaller panels. Picks. This little thing charges so good. I'm surprised it actually starts a big vehicle. V8. Zap surge protector, I guess, something like that. Heat gun, my flashlights. I love that thing. Love this thing too. Reminds me of the little Pixar guy. Harbor Freight helmet. Does the job. Tubble towels. Snap-on tubble towels. My cart. Icon. Have to have a light in here. Icon torque set. Icon bit drivers. Icon adapters. Suck. Expert impact. Love this driver. Deeps, mids, shallows. Pretty much everything I need. All these are 10s. I love these things. Amazon extensions. Great. These are dope too. Wheel wells and stuff like that. Use the hell out of these. Love this screwdriver. Pry bars every size. Old set of pry bars. Yeah. Leo. Kitty. All my ratchets. Really like this one. Icon. Expert. Mac. Snap-on. Flea Market. AutoZone. Lowe's. Screwdrivers that I use the most. Take off trims on the top of the doors. Trim pretty much all clip removers that I use. Miscellaneous bolts. Pretty much more miscellaneous stuff that I have carry around. Bit. Pliers that I use the most while I'm out doing a job on the other side of the parking lot. Standard metric set. Metric mostly ratcheting. Use it more. Gotta have my safety glasses. My blocks. Gotta have acrylics. Acrylics are a must. Gotta use acrylics. Keep those body panels straight. Soft blocks for color sanding. Dremel. DA for bodywork only. I have the ones that I use for color sanding. Keep the contaminants away from each other. My die grinders. I use everyone has their own purpose. Not constantly changing pads left and right all the time. Saves me time. Air ratchet. Sawzall. I love this thing. Cutting up quarter panels. Everything I need for metalwork. I'm gonna buy scripts that I use for metalwork. Love this thing. Harbor Freight. Punch. Air punch. And my hammers. Matco set that I've had for like a good 8 years. And then my new Snap-on. I love that thing. Dollies. Gotta have my fridge. Pretty empty. Chlorophyll. What else it is? But yeah, chlorophyll. Gotta have Pepsi. I have one right now. And my Mac bag that I use for side jobs. Doing a little Impala right now. Full resto. Pretty much that would be my setup. In a couple months I'll be ordering the new hutch that matches my bottom box. So that will be it for my top husky box. Watch me close it.